Hey guys, how's it going? OMG Gaming. I know what you're thinking. Why the fuck am I called OMG Gaming? I don't do gaming videos. Well, I don't know. Today we're going to do the Woodworks challenge. You need to basically hit the left post, the right post, and the crossbar. So we're going to do Ching Chang Walla to see who goes first. Ching Chang Walla. Shit. What's the plan? Crossbar. Doesn't count because it wasn't what you said. I'm gonna copy.
Not crossbar, mate. Andy's hit it out. What an idiot.
I'm gonna change this up. I'm telling you where you're going. Right post. You did well there. Very, very well.
You're gonna go right post. It's not right post. Try again. That's not right post either.
A little first person crossbar. It's not. Come on, Ines. Where are you gonna go? Bottom left. No. Bottom left. Yeah. Bottom left crossbar, bro. On you go. Yeah. I've got a nice angle of it though. Can you do it? No, we can't. Damn.
That's just took all the mud off it, you idiot.
Fine. We've got a nice muddy ball. Yeah. And then just on the wall, crossbar.
Still not crossbar.
So we've got boards, so just hit the crossbar from there. Just go on. Go on. Just go on. Go on. Go on. Oh, okay, we're amazing. We've lost the ball. This is a man. He's disappointed with his life. He goes home and cries at night. Goodbye, my lover. Goodbye, my friend. You have been the one. You have been the one. It's time to go fishing. Oh, he's gone, bro. Where's he gone? Where's he at then? Where's he at then? I think I found him, chaps. I actually don't see him. Oh, there he is. And he's just whacked the ball. Go on. Crossbar. Have it! I think I might just end the video here. I've been OMG Gaming. He's been gay. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.